Hi friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add student usernames to Book Creator and then to take the Book Creator links that are generated for you and put them into Schoology so students can access them via their Schoology accounts. So I've already logged in to Book Creator. I'm going to scroll over here to the right to where my avatar is, and I'm going to select Student Logins. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just add a few students. So I'm going to add Christine and Elizabeth, and I'm just going to hit next. And I need to choose which library they're going to go in. You're only going to have one library if you're using the free version. Because I have the upgraded version, I have quite a few libraries to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select next. And now it's generated QR codes and login links. I'm going to use the login links because when a student clicks on the login link, it'll take them directly to Book Creator, and that's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and select Christine's login. It's going to download a text file. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to open up the text file. And all the way at the end of this file, here is Christine's login. So I'm just going to double click right here. And let's try that one more time. I'm going to double click. I'm trying to select everything that's there. And usually I can just double click to get it. There we go. Oops. There we go. It's all there. So I'm just going to do a keyboard shortcut of Control-C. If you're more comfortable, you can do a right click and copy. And then I'm going to navigate over to my Schoology course. And I'm going to create a folder where I'm going to house all of my student logins. So I'm just going to select Add Materials, Add Folder. And I'm just going to call it Book Creator. And if you want, you can give it a color. And I'm going to go ahead and select Create. All right, so if I scroll down, now you see I have a folder here. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this folder. I'm going to select Add Materials, and I'm going to create a page for Christine. And I'm just going to call this Christine, Book Creator, Login. And then I'm just going to repeat myself, Book Creator, Login. And you know what? I'm just going to simplify this and just put her name, Book Creator, Login. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this text, and I'm going to select Link. And I'm going to paste my link for Christine and select Insert. Now, before I hit Create, I'm going to go down here to my options and select Individually Assign. And I'm just going to assign this specifically to Christine. So for security reasons, I don't want other students to be able to access Christine's books that she creates in Book Creator. I only want Christine to have access to them. So she's the only one that's going to be able to see this link and access it because I've assigned it only to her. So I'm going to go ahead and select Create. And now notice it says Christine, and there's a little 1, so that means only one person has access to it. Now, I'm going to go back to Book Creator really quick, and I'm just going to sign out. Now, if I was Christine and a student in this class, she would click on the folder, select her name, then she's going to click on her Book Creator login, and it'll automatically take her to Book Creator. She'll be signed in as herself. First thing she'll have to do is choose an avatar. And now this is a book that I had already created here, but if I go to New Book, I can choose my book. And I just want to show you, let me go to my books, that you can see that this book was created by Christine. I have this library set up where students can see each other's books. And so that's why you're able to see Michelle's book, but this says a new book by Christine, and I can just rename this All About Me. So that's how the students' links work within Schoology. If they're on a Chromebook or laptop, it's that easy. If they're on an iPad, it's going to look a little different, and I'm going to make a video to show you how that works on an iPad next.